it's still in Bugis area. So opposite na yan, Suntec City. You can walk from here to up to Suntec City. So this is all the building. They're making some more building there. That's the bus, Singapore bus, public transport bus. So we're passing by stadium where Taylor Swift going for concert. So Taylor Swift in here in Singapore. So welcome to Taylor Swift in Singapore. She's having a concert here in Singapore tonight. Started yesterday until March 9. Hi Chrissy G and live. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. We're still stuck in the junction. That's the bus, green bus, public transport in Singapore. So in Singapore, the plate number will start S. Stands for Singapore. Okay, so we're heading now to, if you're from Bugis and you want to go to Suntec City, you can take a walk. And then you can see the over bridge head. That one, you can pass through that one, and opposite that one is a Suntec City. If you like to go to Suntec City Mall. Kuya Paul Denham, good afternoon to you. It's 3 p.m. here. Here at the highway, they're building a lot of construction here. See, as you can see, a little bit of messy. They build and build and build the highways. Hi, Backyard Garden. Samira. Hi, Samira. I give you moderator. Backyard Garden. Ayan, welcome here in Singapore. Let's ride in Singapore. They take you a ride. Let's pass by the stadium. Thank you, Samira. Backyard Garden. Samira Shop. The Backyard Garden. Hello. Maybe we will see Taylor Swift in Jollibee. I hope so. Yeah. As you can see, there's a stadium there. That's the stadium. You can see there. So tonight, stadium where all the concert held. I thought we're going there.